so I don't know about you, but when I get Heating RXs, I am super, super happy. It means that I've been taking care of my body, I got good rest, and my body now is ready to work. So, even though you're gonna be feeling a little bit of pain today, there is gonna be a lot of reward on the other side of it. 5 exercises in today's workout, and you guys, I wanna see you sweating. I wanna see you breathing hard. Put your all into it, it's gonna be worth it. Let's get started. All right, so today I have a pulses into plyos workout. 5 exercises, like I said before. And what we're gonna be doing here is pulsing for 5, exploding for 1. Pulsing for 5, exploding for 1. So you're doing like 20 pulses total per exercise. Here's what it is. Exercise number 1, lunge pulses into plyo. So find your lunge position. You're gonna pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2. On the 1, you jump up. 5, 4, 3, 2, on the 1, jump up. Now, if high impact movement hurts your joints in any way, take it out. You can just do, basically leave 1 foot on the floor at all times. 5, 4, 3, 2, and you can lift like a back leg, okay? So if coming up, whole body weight lifting it up isn't working for you, modify. Exercise number 2, push-up pulses into a plyo. So, from here, you guys, I want you to drop the knees. Now, if you're exorbitantly buff in the upper body region, then you can go ahead and do full legs, otherwise bend the knees. So it looks like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, press all the way up. Come back down and pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, press all the way up. Okay, 4 rounds of those per exercise. Exercise number 3, plie pulses into plyos. So plie position, toes out, heels in. Works inner thighs, glutes. It's phenomenal for burning calories and toning the buns. So you're gonna sink low. 5, 4, 3, 2, explode up on the 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, explode up on the 1. Again, if you need to modify, you pulse for 5, lift 1 leg. Pulse for 5, lift the other leg. Exercise number 4, you're gonna do ski squat pulses into a plyo. So ski squat pulses are when your legs are super narrow, okay? So imagine you're skiing on the slopes, that's what a ski squat is all about. Keep the legs narrow. So it looks like this, 5, 4, 3, 2, jump it up both legs. Come right back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, jump it up, come back down. Modification, lift 1 leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, lift 1 leg, back down. All right, and finally, you're gonna need a chair for this last one. This is a tricep dip pulse into a plyo. Now, recommendation, if you have a chair, make sure it's on a mat or it's really secure to the ground or backed up against the wall because you don't want it to slip. So, tricep dip, you want your tailbone to be super close to the edge of the chair. You're gonna tricep dip pulse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then you're gonna lift the hands up off the chair, okay? So it's explosive movement up off the chair. 5, 4, 3, 2, all the way up. Okay, so you're gonna do 3 to 5 sets of those, and remember, at the end, do your cool down, do your stretching, and enjoy the heck out of your day.